Yeah, if you guys haven't checked out the Reddit yet, we posted a video about it today. And we actually got a lot new members today. So let's check it out, okay? Let's go to the Reddit here for a second. I wanted to see if there was anything else posted. It looks like there's a couple more posts. Yeah, there's a lot more posts, actually. Oh, this is awesome. Holy shit. Holy shit, there's so many posts, dude. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, this is amazing. I'm excited for this. Because I just posted the video about it today, and I was like, like, we talk about it on stream, you know? But, like, if we don't actually do, like, if we don't actually cover it on YouTube, it's not going to reach, like, that sort of audience. Because we have, like, 40 average viewers on stream, and we have, like, a couple of people who are active in the Discord. But for the most part, I get, like, maybe 2,000 views per video, like, normally minimum. So it's like, if I upload it to YouTube, then, like, more people are going to know about it, more people are going to join, and it's going to grow. We're 157 members now, 14 online right now. Pretty dope, dude. Hey, King, just wanted to share my best clip from a while back. My friend also has a really bad mic in this. Uh-oh, I cannot handle bad mics, but we'll watch the clip, okay? Because it is posted to Reddit. It's got 29 upvotes, dude. This is actually, ooh, must be a good clip.
I've seen that meme already.
Is this a shock dart lineup, or is he killing his friend?
Do it.
I don't think it does kill his friend. Oh, dude. That poor Killjoy, man. He's trying to aim for his friend, and he actually kills the Killjoy. Oh, my God. She's just standing in garage, probably trying to save or something, like in a 1v4. They're just fucking with each other. That's actually perfect. Gimme a corpse. Phoenix ultimate. Defy death. Raze ultimate. A big-ass rocket launcher. Breach ultimate. A devastating earthquake. Cypher ultimate. He's throwing his fedora. Cypher ultimate is actually one of the strongest ultimates in the game, like, hands down. It's so freaking good, but it's really funny when you compare it to shit like this, where it's like Phoenix ultimate, like, gives you the respawn, a fucking rocket, like the earthquake that goes out and stuff, and then it's just like the Cypher ultimate, like, he's throwing his hat. He's like, hats off, dude. I do like the character design. I like when they go for goofier things like that, where it's like, like, there's nothing wrong with Cypher throwing his hat, you know? I do like it a little bit. I'm excited to see the new agent. I wonder what their ultimate's going to be. Because as they create more of these ultimates and it gets a little bit more hectic, I wonder how the game's going to develop. Like, things like the Breach ultimate, for example, was pretty big in the game when, like, he was released. Obviously, I think he was released with the game, or with the beta or whatever. No, he was released during the alpha for the playtest. And I remember people were like, he is busted. And, like, it's interesting when you compare his ultimate to the other ultimates that we had seen before that. This is like one of those moments where, like, it freezes and it's like the bomb from, like, JoJo or whatever. It's like, dude, he's an operator though. I feel like he could. The operator is probably a better choice in this situation than the shorty, honestly. We got our boy Doug. I love the one name. I was thinking if I ever made another Smurf, I wanted to name it Rick. Not because my name is Rick, just because I think having that, like, one syllable name just packs such an impact when you're doing well, right? When Rick is just freaking rolling you, dude. That was no pun intended, but you do love to see it.
Spike down on B. Could be having a drone. Yeah.
It's really scary using your drone on a 1v5. You never know if, like, somebody's, like, sitting on rafters that decided to, like, try to push you or something.
Revealing area.
There's one on the wall.
Dude, these guys are so afraid.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my!
Look at how afraid these guys are right now. There are 5 of them right here. It's not like one dude chilling, like a 2v2 or something like that. There are 5 people, and they're just not pushing the site. They slow them off too. Why aren't they on site right now? Go plant the bomb. This. If I'm on the enemy team, I'm like the Sage or something on the enemy team. I've done my job. I've thrown down the wall. I'm like, guys, let's go. That's a good ace. That's a good ace. What do you think of the AirPods Max? They're expensive Bluetooth studio headphones. Nothing special. Yeah, they just look like Bluetooth headphones. That's all they look like to me. I guess they look kind of nice. Like, so what I don't like is I started thinking about, you know, like, male pattern baldness. That's what I'm gonna say. That wasn't the direction you thought I was going with this. That's the direction I'm going. And I'm wearing headphones all of the fucking time. I have nice hair. I have okay hair. Like, my hair grows. It's kind of like I have a lot of volume, you know. And I'm worried that, like, at the age of, like, 30, if I'm wearing headphones all of the time, eventually I'm gonna experience hair loss. That's what I'm kind of worried about, right? So I was like, maybe like the AirPods or something, if they were good, like they had good directional sound for, like, Valorant or something like that. I think it's unlikely, but, like, if that was a thing, I think that would be kind of nice, because then I would actually be able to avoid that, you know. There's probably other ways that you could avoid that, like taking off your fucking headphones, but, you know, it's concern I had in my life. Pentagon. hexagon, octagon, your eye are gone. I get it. It's like because it has the hawk shape. It has the hawk shape, guys. But it's like a sky flash, so your eyes are gone. Your eyes are gone. Okay, good meme. Quality fun. I think it's a pun. Does that count as a pun? On B site, on Ascent, is Killjoy on A site on Ascent. Yo, this isn't true. I actually love playing Killjoy on A Ascent. Her turret is so incredibly strong. Don't get me wrong, she doesn't have that oven thing going on where, like, what's it called? What do you guys call it? Like the oven where, like, people walk in, they trigger the alarm bot, and then both the mollies pop and they just die. Like, she doesn't have that going on. But what she does have going for her on A site is that turret that she can place on the top of the boxes sees straight into tree. You know how hard it is for, like, you can solo A as Killjoy and you just get so much information. It doesn't matter. Like, you're walking, like, you don't have to watch tree, you don't have to watch main. If they push you, you just play off of the turret. I just spit all over my microphone. Killjoy is actually pretty strong at it. I'm not gonna take away from that that oven strat or whatever. One of my better clutch plays. It was during my grind out of gold. Don't mind the beeping. That's my Discord when I use my mic. Yeah, we all know the Discord sound, homie. I appreciate it. He's like, don't worry about the beeping, guys. My Discord, like, we got you, homie. We know what's up. Good first shot. When you're on the run too, sometimes they can catch you off guard. But he was able to stop in time to get that shot off. Is it a lineup? Gotta be a lineup, right? What's your video? I could try to.
30 seconds left.
How do you know?
Enemy remaining.
You just knew that she was in TP? Well, I guess that makes sense, right? Bomb's right here. That's a good call. Or maybe he was just trying to open the doors. That's something I do pretty often is I'll just throw, like, if I'm playing like a Phoenix, maybe a Raze, like a I guess a Sova right here, you know. What I'll do is I'll just shoot something through to open the door, and then that way when you take the TP, it's not like a TP, oh shit, he TP'd, let me turn around. Okay, door's open, now we get to fight. It's more like a shock dart. Oh shit, he killed me. Like, he came through, like, killed me. You don't process it right away, you know. See, she turns around, but it's not in time. If he TPs and then he has to open the door himself, he also needs to be closer up to it. It doesn't work out as well for timing. So this is a good play. This is actually good job, Rasta Fox. One immortal versus 100 irons. What does this mean? Oh. How do they do this? Oh, they just rezzed all of them. Okay. I was gonna say. I was like, how is this even possible? How do they get so many people in the lobby? One immortal versus 100 irons. You would actually lose. I'm assuming anyway. They would probably lose. I watched a video recently. It was from Lemonatrix or Lemon Tricks. He uploaded something with Valiant Curios recently. It was immortal versus immortal breach god versus 4 irons. He actually loses. So I don't think, like, you think that irons would be harder to play against. But, like, after you're going through the round, you have to ace every single round. It actually seems like it weighs on the player quite a bit, right? What happens here is it seems like he gets a little mentally exhausted by the end. He's playing on defense, and it's just like you have to play so careful all of the time. Otherwise, you just lose to somebody hiding in a corner, right? It's just it's really rough. I think Breach would be a good character for this, honestly, because at least you can, like, flash in and give yourself, like, some sort of entry. But no, it does seem like a nightmare. I don't think this would be possible. Okay, through the wall. Nice. Good awareness. You can shoot through walls. You don't need to see the target all the time. You can shoot through the wall. It's fine. Especially if they're tagged, you know? Marshall's so hype. Not playing this too aggressive. Bomb's not down. He doesn't need to. He doesn't need to. He's chilling in heaven. He's doing good. Bomb's starting to go down. Does have a dash. Smoke goes down in showers. That's a good smoke. Makes it a little bit easier. The blind comes out from showers, so they know Reyna's showers. She's out showers on bench.
She knows I'm CT.
Fortunately, whiffed a couple shots here. Good shot. And the headshot onto the Killjoy as well. Oh, that's pog, dude. That's really good. D1 too. I had a really sick Marshall play back in the day. Let me see if I can find this. It was in one of my videos. Made me feel really good. Made me feel like a Marshall god for a little bit. God, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find this, but I could try. It was one of my Omen montages. Maybe it's an Omen gameplay. So here's my best Marshall play. You lost weight? I don't know about that. Feel about the same. The aggressive Omen TP over there into the corner, right? I'm going to do another Omen play right now. I got to get over this wall. I got to do it. I have a Marshall, not shooting that wall down. This is Old Sage. This Old Sage wall, dude, it's not breaking. Got to go over this thing. Get tagged down to 3 HP. Look at this. Get the kill right there. Booey, dude. Look at that. Felt good about that one. Oh, this is a good play, too. Let's be honest. All these are good plays. I'm such a good player.
I'm insane. Did you see that?
Oh, yeah.
There's a question for the Reddit. Is Metal a good clipping software? And if so, would posting a link to the Reddit count as self-promo without context? No, you're good, homie. You're good. You're good, homie. As long as it's not just like, hey, check out my stream. I put no self-promo without context as like a rule. Generally, like, if you're posting like a video that you made and you feel like it's relevant to the Reddit and you're like, it's like a little bit of self-promo, it's like, oh, I made this video, then like, fine, that's fine. I don't really care. But like, if you're posting something like, hey, check out my stream. Okay. Screen froze. God damn it. It was doing so well, dude. I've had that running for like the last 2 hours. I was like, no way. I was like, but we'll see. We'll see if it sticks. You're running Stinger Reyna. No critiques. Stinger Reyna's strong. Stinger Reyna's actually really good. I actually sometimes as Reyna, you just buy a Stinger for like eco rounds and you just roll with it. Nothing wrong with that. Still sitting in this corner. One gripe I do have is your map. You can't see what's going on the other side of the map. I would size that down just a little bit. So you don't know what's going on in A site. I don't know how you handle that. That would drive me nuts.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.
Dude, what's with this Guardian? She's just spamming that shit. She does not give a fuck. Using the dismiss just to reposition a little bit. Probably a good idea. Breach ulti. Not going to hit too much. Remember the old Guardian? Yeah, you could just spray that thing. It was as good as a Vandal. Nice. They just stacked up for you. Quality ace to win the round, too.
I am the best, bro.
13 and 4. Feels good, man. Feels good, man. Those are always the best ones when it's like literally you win the game because of it. Off of like the back of an ace. Oh, that feels good. That feels good.